You're as cold as ice.
I know it seems kind of crazy that we just came from America and now we're in Australia, and this is probably not what you were expecting. Snow. A lot of people don't realize that Australia actually has snow, a lot of snow. So I'm gonna take you guys on a real fun adventure this week and show you what it's like in Australia in the snow. Let's go. Welcome to the Snowy Mountains. Located somewhere around here. Looking back 2 years ago, I actually made a few videos of this exact same experience. And you should check them out. I'll put the links in the description. So instead of remaking all these videos, I just wanted to do a short one just to show you what I've been up to. I didn't bring a lot of gear with me, just shooting on my iPhone 10, moment lenses, smooth gimbal, Insta360 Nano for my live streams, GoPro Fusion, small lights, mics, time-lapse twisty timer thing, ball head mount, and a big selfie stick. Okay, that is a bunch of stuff. It has been a couple of crazy days getting here, like crazy. If these like 3-minute, 5-minute videos aren't cutting it for you, you can always go check out my live stream channel where I go live. I'm actually going live today. Oh, welcome to Here's Danny Black. If you're just wondering, we started out over there. If you can turn your camera, not for me, but there's a lodge over there. So now, back to the snow. On the GoPro Fusion 360 right now, just because it's so much easier than having to point the camera somewhere. Yeah. I definitely think the GoPro Fusion is my favorite way to capture the moments out here. You never have to worry about missing a shot because it captures it all. We had a bunch of really beautiful days, and they said that this year they had record snowfall. And so we did all the Snowy Mountain traditions. By the way, the most delicious hot chocolate you've ever tasted. I've never seen these in real life, just on Candy Crush. Candy Crush, gotta delete that game. Look at this view. After traveling the hot summer of the States, it was nice to jump over to a cold winter in Australia for a change. And it's so cool that Australia, despite what everyone thinks, can have mountains and ski runs like these. Alright, so let's just get back to the lodge and we'll have a couple drinks and relax and have a good night. So, this was a week-long trip with the in-law family, and it was awesome to be out here. Alright, it's time to leave this beautiful place. We're going to drive to Canberra, take a flight to Brisbane. Within 24 hours, I have to fly to Auckland to get on a cruise ship, and I don't feel like taking you through all that. So here we go, I'm going to be on the ship. So here I am, on a ship, sailing away from Auckland. But I'm going to be doing this again later, so let's not end it here. Let's end it... here. I'm here in Melbourne now. There's VidCon going on, but I'm not actually at VidCon. I'm doing a thing called CreatorCon where we're doing a 12-hour live stream. We got some cool creators. Look at this, Gina Walters is here.
Yeah, really cool creators. I'm here.
Karina. Nope, not even close. Jay Boston. Hello. Anyways, we're having lots of fun, but you'll have to see this next week because I will post a video about it. So, see you later. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the bell. Also check out my live stream channel for a lot more in-depth look at what I'm doing. And here's another video I think you should watch. And if you look in the description, there's a bunch of links to a lot of cool things.